Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on your new friends notifications on your Messenger app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Messenger app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you go up here, you click here on app, then it's going to show for you window like this, and you just click here on this mark settings. Then it's going to take you to this window here like you say. Then you just go down and you click here on notification sounds, and you come here to this window here, and you come here to your friend notifications. You click here on this mark, and like you say, this color show for us, that's when your friend notifications is turned on no. So that's all you have to do to turn on this mark on your Messenger app. I wish now you all get it. That's all. Just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. So see you.